I forgot to click the record button. Anyway, okay, so it seems that you guys don't have a question. So again, very good, group 11. Okay, so let us now move on to the next group that is going to report. Okay, so I'll remove this one now. So we'll still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so be prepared. Okay, so the next group who's going to report is Cloudways. So are you guys here? Cloudways.
Yes,
Is that
sir.
one? Hey, I think it
Yung group
wasn't.
3, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ito pala yung kanina. Okay. Alright, so let me just stop sharing my screen. Okay, so you guys can start sharing your screen now, and then you may now start reporting.
Kita ba, sir?
Di ka sure.
Yes. Okay, so you can see your screen now.
Start na, sir.
Yes.
Sir, ano pala, kasama ko si Gamboa dito, sir.
Yes. Mr. Corpus, Mr. Estepa, and then
I mean,
Mr.
sir, kasama ko siya ngayon. Dalawa kami dito sa isang bahay, sir. Kaya wala siya dito sa Zoom.
Okay. Sige. I'll just hear that.
Open ka man.
Pakilala na lang, no? And or you can just open your cam, I guess, for us to be able
Sige,
to
sir.
distinguish who's reporting.
So we are group 3, and we are going to report about the Cloudways.
Cloudways is a managed hosting platform. It provides customer with solution to launch web application on different cloud servers.
So sa history ng Cloudways, sir, Cloudways was founded by Uzair Gadit, Pere Hospital, and Akib Gadit in 2009. And their headquarters is on the island of Malta in Europe. So Cloudways' mission is to provide managed cloud hosting solutions so that their customers can concentrate on business side while they handle their hosting headaches efficiently. So dito sa Cloudways, sir, yung mission ng Cloudways is to provide managed cloud hosting solutions so that their customers can concentrate on their businesses. So ang target ng Cloudways, sir, yung mga businessman, tinutulungan niyang mag-concentrate yung mga businessman sa kanya-kanyang businesses.
Cloudways is one of the few companies that offer a great balance between affordability and great functionality when it comes to cloud-based managed WordPress hosting. Next naman.
So overview of Cloudways. When looking for managed WordPress hosting, you'll have no doubt come across many companies that offer similar services. While the vast majority of web hosts offer managed WordPress hosting on a shared VPS or dedicated server environment, one company has truly stepped out of the norm and provided a unique managed hosting solution. So, dito sa picture, sir, ito yung tinatawag na managed WordPress hosting. Dito natin gagawin yung kung paano i-manage yung WordPress hosting natin through Cloudways. Next.
Cloudways offers managed cloud hosting services for WordPress sites on a cloud server, where multiple copies on your content will be replicated throughout your chosen data center. The switching of data is handled by a complex algorithm, and if your main server goes down, a copy of your website is served from the next available server. This allows for the rapid deployment of computing resources, high performance, and service reliability.
So dito sa WordPress hosting, sir, through Cloudways offer managed cloud hosting services for WordPress sites on cloud server. Ibig sabihin, sir, yung Cloudways daw, sir, minamanage niya yung WordPress hosting in, in simple words. The switching of data is handled by complex algorithm. And if your main server goes down, a copy of your website is served from the next available server. Ibig sabihin, sir, yung WordPress hosting, pag yung main server na nag-down system, a copy of a website is served from the next available server. Ibig sabihin, yung kopya ng website na ginamit mo, sir, available siya sa next server. So next, so cloud-based versus traditional hosting. How is cloud-based WordPress hosting different from traditional hosting? Cloud cloud hosting means your site is stored on multiple servers compared to traditional hosting where your site is stored on one server. Ibig sabihin, sir, dito sa cloud hosting, sir, pwede kang gumamit ng multiple servers or nakastore doon yung ginagawa mo na project. For example, so nasa multiple servers siya. Hindi tulad ng iba na nasa isang server lang talaga. Tapos ang advantage dito, sir, is yung with backup siya. The next, because your site is on multiple servers, it can be migrated easily in the case of any incidents. Ibig sabihin, sir, kunwari may nakorrupt na file or any resources, pwede mo pa rin siyang ma-restore through the other servers. And next, cloud hosting improves uptime because one of the other servers in the network can take over if anything goes wrong. And next, it's usually faster than traditional hosting. The server can detect your customer's location and transmit content from the server nearest to your computer. Ibig sabihin, sir, it's usually faster than traditional hosting. Mas mabilis siya, and the server can detect your customer's location. Mas madaling ma-detect yung customer's location gamit ito, sir, and transmit content from server nearest to your computer. The next, many cloud hosts use SSDs or solid state drives to improve your site performance. So, karamihan daw ng nasa cloud host, sir, gumagamit ng SSD. Parang upgraded ng HDD. In general, cloud hosts offer more security than traditional hosts. Cloudways uses a range of security techniques to process your WordPress site. The next, ito po yung 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 cloud hosting sa picture. The next, what are the key features of Cloudways hosting? As with any hosting company, Cloudways servers provide varying amounts of processing power, memory, bandwidth, and storage space. Ito,
The most basic hosting plan offers a cloud server with 10 GB RAM, 25 GB of storage, and 1 core processor and 1 terabyte bandwidth.
So dito sa feature ng Cloudways hosting, sir, napaka ganda na siya sa with 10 gig RAM, 25 gig of storage, 1 core processor, and 1 terabyte bandwidth. So next,
How Cloudways keeps your WordPress site secure, fast, and easy to maintain. Number 1. If you're moving host, Cloudways will take care of your site migration. Number 2. The Cloudways CDN improved server speed. Faster site speed are especially important for online stores. Explain mo pa ba?
sige lang parang.
Number 3. The auto-healing features resolve any issues, lowering the risk of your site crashing.
Sir, dito sa number 3, the auto-healing features resolves any issues, lowering the risk of your site crashing. Para ma-maintain ni Cloudways yung website or anything na sir, ilo-lower niya yung risk of your site crashing. Ibig sabihin, mas lower yung incident na ma-crash yung ginagawa, sir. Ako muna po. WordPress is the world's most popular content management. As a result, it's it's a target for hackers. Cloudways uses a dedicated firewall to secure your site. Ibig sabihin, sir, sa Cloudways uses dedicated firewall, may sarili siyang firewall na nagsisecure talaga nung site. And built-in Let's Encrypt SSL secures communication between your site and your customers. Sige, parang tuloy.
Next is two-factor authentication offers an extra layer of security against attackers.
Wait lang. So dito sa two-factor authentication sir, mas secured talaga yung site na binibisita or ano sir. Ibig sabihin kumbaga sa privacy ng Facebook sir, may two-factor authentication din. Ibig sabihin sir, pag may once na may nag-attempt na i-open yung account mo, may magno-notif sa'yo, i-remind ka kung ikaw ba yun or hindi sir. Parang ganun. Tapos one-click installation for apps. Ganun siya sir. And sige, tuloy mo.
Next is easy setup for new sites. Deploy a new site on your server with a single click. Next is access to 24/7 export support.
So these
Yeah.
are this is the summary of what my group mates mentioned. So dedicated environment. So all servers launched on Cloudways have dedicated servers. So it means that it allows to maximize server and app performance. And SSD-based hosting, like my group mate said, SSD drives are faster. And performance-wise, it reduces page load times for your dynamic websites. Next is built-in advanced cache. So Cloudways provide an optimized stack with ready-to-use cache and deliver expedite responses. Next is PHP 7 ready servers. So all of their server are PHP 7.3 ready. So it's faster what's this? PHP. Anyways, Cloudways CDN. Cloudways CDN is a powerful yet simple service that delivers superior performance on top of the chart global response times. So it can be integrated in a few clicks without any technicalities. Next is auto healing, managed cloud servers, which is previously mentioned. You don't have to worry about your website crashing. Most of the issues within the server are resolved with auto healing restarts. So free WordPress cache plugin. Breeze is engineered house to offer better WordPress performance than any other plugin in the industry with simplicity at zero cost. Breeze comes pre-installed on Cloudways. So next is Redis support. Enabling Redis improves the performance of databases. So you get your unbeatable performance. Same another add-on. So free Magento full page cache, which is gives you one of the fastest hosting stacks. It significantly improves the performance of Magento time stores. So next is reconfigured PHP FPM. So PHP FPM dramatically speeds up your website and improves the loading time of your PHP environment with much faster processes. Next is HTTP-2 supported servers. Cloudways servers are HTTP-2 enabled, which significantly increases the speed of communication between the web servers and clients. Next. Next one. Slide. Next slide. Okay.
Hello? Baka naman umalis na sila.
Ito na, sir. So Cloudways security management. These are the ways on how Cloudways manage your security. So dedicated firewalls. All Cloudways hosted servers are protected by OS level firewalls that filter out malicious traffic and keep out the intruders. So the next one is one-click free SSL installation. Are built. These are built-in. Let's encrypt SSL. Improves website security with a trusted certificate that fulfills all your HTTPS requirements. And on top of that, it's free. It's doesn't cost anything. Next is IP whitelisting. Lets you create a whitelist of IPs, making it easy to collaborate with networks of regions with unrestricted access to SSH and SFTP. So regular security patching. These are perform regular OS patches on your server. This ensure a secure managed cloud server and avoids vulnerabilities. Next one is two-factor authentication, which is mentioned before, is an easy and effective extra layer of safety for your Cloudways account. It keeps your server safe from any intruder or any attackers. Bot protection, protect your WordPress websites from traffic congestion caused by malicious bots, brute force login attacks, the usual DOS attacks, which is helped by technology partner called Malcare. So next. So these are additional features for users. So which they could tweak. So the renowned IaaS providers, you have the option to choose from a variety of world-class providers, namely Google, Amazon, DigitalOcean, Linode, and Vultr. Next is block storage. You have the option to extend your server storage space, scale the storage in just a few clicks without changing other server parameters. As easy as that. Seamless vertical scaling. Seamless scaling of your servers with one-click hosting feature that scales resources, which is your RAM, your CPU, and any storage you have, without affecting your previous customization. Next is long-term contract. Uh, they offer many modes of payment, so allowing you to pay only for what you've used. So very good plan. Next is launch 10 plus apps through a one click. It's easy deploy of number of applications like WordPress, Magento sites on a single server. So all PHP apps supported. Their platform combines the freedom of dedicated servers with the ease and agility of PHP PAS. So next is multiple PHP versions. On Cloudways, you can switch PHP versions on just a click. So the latest versions of PHP are 5.6, 7.x, and 8.x. All of them are supported by Cloudways. Next one is MySQL and MariaDB supported. So the latest versions of MySQL and MariaDB supported are all supported on the server of Cloudways. You can switch between the database that work best with your application. Next one is global availability. So we know page load times mean the world to you, everyone, like most workers, students, everybody. So everyone can choose from 60 plus data centers, whichever is close to target audience. So next is these are the, if you are wondering, these are the standard pricing for on the left for Cloudways plans, and on the right is the premium membership. Just so that is all. Thank you for this.
Okay. So thank you, group 3. All right. So here are my comments. Okay. So first of all, it's a good thing that most of your contents are like parang sales stock. I would say like you're already selling the product, okay, to us. However, it lack examples, or parang kailangan ko ng proof, parang ganun, okay? It lacks proof. Yeah, it's a good thing that you're saying this and that. It's a good thing. It's fast. It has a two-factor authentication, blah blah blah. But if possible, next time, please include at least one or two examples or a proof Okay, saying that okay, this is a proof that this one is faster than the others, this one is much more safer than the others, etc., etc. Okay, and then one more thing, when we see
Mhm.
2FA, from the word itself, it's two-factor authentication. So if you log into a certain say server or a website or a game, okay, so it will ask you two password. So it could be the first one is a text or a combination of text, character, and then numbers, and then after that there is another authentication. Okay, so it could be via cell phone number, like they're going to send a uh, like six code combination number, and then you need to put that one, okay, within 60 seconds. Okay, so that's the meaning of 2FA or two-factor authentication. Okay, and then one last thing. Okay, so I think you guys wasn't able to mention what is the main selling point or what is the edge of your cloud provider, which is a Cloudways over the other cloud providers. Anyone?
Yun yung nakalimutan namin, sir.
Okay, so you guys forgot. I think he keep on saying about the support, okay, especially when it comes to PHP. So I think that is one thing that they have over the others, okay, the support of the PHP versions and then the MySQL. Because the others, yes, they have MySQL, but they lack support of versions, okay, especially the latest PHP. Okay, kasi yun yung parang pinaka ginagamit ngayon. Okay, I mean before hanggang ngayon. Well, unti-unti na silang nawawala. Okay, nag-evolve na yung mga websites natin. So, meron ng React, meron ng Python, so hindi na lang PHP ngayon. So, I think after nga ng PHP, yung parang, ano ba yung susunod doon? Bootstrap na nga eh. So, more on parang framework na tayo. It's not the language itself anymore. It's now more on frameworks or tools. Okay? Alright, so those are my only comments. Other than that, you guys did good. Okay, so what about your classmates?
Sir.
Do you guys have a question with the group number 3, Cloudways? So I
None, sir.
guess they don't have a
Answer.
question. Alright, so
Answer.
it took us longer than I thought on that one. So parang 30 minutes yata yung na-consume. Well, anyway, so let us now proceed to the next one. Okay, so can you guys see my screen now? So we still have 6 remaining reporters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 pa nga pala. Anim na lang. Okay. Okay, so without further ado, let's start spinning this one. Okay. Okay. Google Cloud, I guess. Yeah, so it's Google Cloud. Are you guys here? Hello, hello. The group of Google Cloud, which is group 8, Miss Atopen, Miss Marquez, and then Miss Nitas. Are you guys around? I guess they are not.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so nandiyan yata sila. Alright, so I'll stop
Meron po,
sharing my
sir.
screen now. Are you guys complete? Group number 8? Okay. Okay, so you guys can start sharing your screen now and then start doing your report. Mhm. Group 8?
Wait lang po, sir. Na-disconnect ata si Leonila. Share ng PowerPoint namin.
Mhm.
Kaya po kasi gamit namin. I mean, gamit yung
Mhm. Okay, so time check. For this part two, we now only have 8 minutes left. 8 minutes and 54 seconds. Okay, so if you guys cannot finish the your report within 8 minutes, then I'll just continue the rest later on the part three. Okay. Again, to those who are already done with their reportings, and then once you're done finalizing your PowerPoint, please submit them now on the submission tab right here on
Sir, isang
this.
member lang ba
May
magsasubmit?
survey ka na.
Yeah, it's okay.
Ano?
One member, it will cover your entire group already. Since I think nilagay ko naman dito is group activity. So yeah, just one member is enough. So I don't know if you guys can hear the background music. So it's the I call that sound trip. Yeah, sound trip of our neighbor in here. Mm, okay, good thing. So I was actually about to ask, is there anyone who's going to volunteer so that the group number eight will just have the reporting later on. Okay, so are you guys okay with that, Miss Mitas? The entire group eight. Uh, let's
recording
see.
in progress.
Ano bang group to? Sige, Mr.
Sir,
Samuel.
okay lang.
Okay, so anong group kayo, Mr. Samuel? Ano pala yung cloud na i-report nyo? So that I can remove it here right now on the wheel of groups.
Microsoft Azure, sir.
Okay. Okay, so you guys can start now. You can share your screen and then you can start reporting. Okay, so time check, 5 minutes.
Okay, so I will make it as fast as possible.
Okay.
Ayan. So what our topic is Microsoft Azure. Yes. Next slide. Sir, narinig naman ako. Is it
Yeah,
clear?
yeah. Though it's
Okay.
little medyo
Next
mahina.
slide. And so, we are the reporters. Okay. Yeah. Next. So what is Microsoft Azure? Microsoft Azure is a computing platform, as you all know, like lahat naman tayo yun yung discuss. And it is created by Microsoft for building, deploying, managing applications and services, platform that enables users to engage in agile cloud computing and is designed for creating and managing apps designed to help you bring new solutions to life, solve today's challenges, and create a future. So, a better future. So, parang ano lang siya, it is just the same with other cloud services like yung AWS, yung mga na-discuss kanina, it is a cloud computing platform. So, It is launched on February 1st, 2010. Yeah, 2010. And it is also a free to start and also provides per use model. So but like other cloud computing services, it is the pay per use model. So you just pay for what you use. And it is 80% of Fortune 500 companies use Azure services. So it is also a widespread like AWS. Like it is also a top contender in the cloud computing market, and it supports multiple programming languages like C Sharp, Node, .js, Java, Python, etc. It is basically very accessible, which is a feature of Azure that is really helpful for developers and other companies. Then it also has data centers in 42 regions around the world. And so that is all for the introductions. Let's go to the next one. Hello. No. Yeah,
We
let's
now
talk
move
about
on to the features of Microsoft Azure. Next, the number one would be the cloud services, the PaaS, or the platform as a service. Can be utilized to build applications and services. We also have the websites. As I've said by my groupmate, there are it can develop sites such as ASP.NET, Node.js, PHP, or Python. We also have the SQL database, which extends for applications into cloud, utilizing the SQL or SQL Server. Then lastly would be the media. It is a platform that can be used for streaming media, protecting content, and a lot of more. Next one be
For number three, advanced.
Hmm? Nawala. We cannot hear anything.
Sir, kuha lang daw siya ng mic. And wait. So, pwede ko na pong simulan ng saglit. Yeah. Tapos i-explain further na lang niya. No? Yeah. So, advantage and disadvantage. Yan. So, like other advantages no, of other services, meron din kasi Microsoft Azure is also complete with security, privacy, scalability, availability, which is the very strong factor of Microsoft Azure since it nurtures a lot of programming languages like the old ones and the new ones. Yeah, it is cost effective. And it also has backup. So if there's a disaster, you can recover your files. Yes, and you can access your data in other servers
All right.
as a backup.
Wait.
Yeah.
Okay. So sorry to interrupt. But I guess we now only have 30 seconds left. So
Okay,
sorry,
sir.
we'll have to continue. Okay, wherever you've stopped on the part three. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
again, goodbye and see you guys later on the part three.